I think a secret passion about me that would surprise most people is wakeboarding and water skiing. I actually spent a summer teaching it up in Maine, and not only the sport, but actually like getting to teach it to other people as well. I think I was like 8 or 9 when I started wakeboarding and water skiing. I started wakeboarding because I went to a summer camp. It was actually the same summer camp that I ended up teaching at. So for me, wakeboarding is essentially the closest thing you can do to flying. Because when you're behind a boat, you can either sink in the water or go fast enough on top of it to glide and carve. And that feeling is a lot like floating. No, I have never competed for wakeboarding. I love teaching people, yeah. I taught kids anywhere from 9 to 15 years old.